Database administrators need simple and quick ways to manage their SQL Server environment. SQL Admin Toolset provides 24 essential desktop tools for SQL Server to save time by simplifying routine administrative and troubleshooting tasks. Reduce time spent on daily SQL Server administration. Easily run daily admin tasks across multiple SQL Server instances. Simplify migrating, consolidating, and creating SQL Server instances. Eliminate manual and time-consuming and error-prone admin tasks. We are going to look at 3 areas that SQL Admin Toolset can help you with. The first is manage logins and security. With SQL Admin Toolset, you can easily sync between instances by letting you transfer logins. Easy login transfer is important because administering parallel SQL Server environments such as test and production systems can be difficult. My favorite are the user clone and login copy. User clone helps you create new logins by copying an existing SQL Server user and using that login as a template. You can immediately perform the clone operation through the tool or generate a T-SQL script that you can preview and edit. Similar to the user clone, it is the login copy tool. The login copy tool can help you keep the SQL Server login synchronized between instances by letting you transfer logins using a simple, easy-to-use interface. You can strengthen your security with the password checker tool. This tool helps you evaluate and strengthen your SQL Server password policy, such as finding weak passwords that can make your SQL Server vulnerable to outside attacks. You can see exactly which logins are at risk, so you can replace the weak passwords with strong passwords. You can use default or custom list of common passwords. The second topic is managing objects in SQL code. We have 2 tools here. The Object Search tool helps you find tables and objects across your SQL Server environment by searching for specific words or text phrases used in object names. With this global search, you can quickly and easily determine where particular objects, such as table, reside, or how many times the same object, such as login, was created on different instances. The Object Search tool helps you perform case-sensitive searches, search across all objects on a SQL Server instance or server group, search for objects in a specific database, search for objects in system databases, search for an exact word or text phrase, or use SQL wildcards to broaden your results. The next tool here is SQL Search. It helps you find specific words or phrases in SQL Server schema objects, including table columns, T-SQL scripts, or other SQL code in use on an instance. With this global search, you can quickly and easily complete tasks such as updating copyright notices or changing all the usages of a stop procedure call. The SQL Search tool helps you in performing case-sensitive searches, search across all SQL on a SQL Server instance, search SQL used in a specific database or specific object, search SQLs on system databases, search for an exact word or text phrase, or use SQL wildcards to broaden your results. See how many times the specific word or phrase appears, which object contains a string, and the full SQL source. The second feature would be manage configuration and resources. The Database Configuration tool helps you review, compare, and edit the configuration settings of one or more SQL Server databases. With this tool, you can diagnose problems and identify unwanted differences by comparing the configuration value of a database to its historical snapshot or another instance. This action allows you to roll out changes to one or more databases across your enterprise. These results allow you to report on your database configuration settings by instance, or by server group. The Space Analyzer tool helps you identify the disk space usage for SQL Server instance across your enterprise. With this tool, you can easily and proactively anticipate when you need to begin new instances online, plan for new databases, and authorize hardware upgrades. The Space Analyzer tool displays the following percentages. Percent use shows how much of a file is being used. Percent disk use show how much of the whole drive is being used. Percent used by database files show how much of that drive is being used by that file. Visit IDERA.com to find out how you can do a trial for 14 days.